Hi guys, welcome to my channel CreuzArt.com. So today we're going to unbox the Hoop DIY kit of a giraffe that they named Ziggy. So if I'm going to make this one, this will be my first Amigurumi or my first stuffed toy ever. Okay, so with this DIY kit, you can see that it includes already a crochet hook, a yarn, an instruction manual, or the pattern to create this little giraffe. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to make a tour of this box. So as you can see here, it is already translated in different languages. So you can see like there's a lot of countries that you can just use or follow with. I think with the pattern also. And you can see here it also named popcorn. So I think the popcorn, it means that that's the name of the yarn color. If you will go to the other side, you can also see here a lot of information, and also you can follow them on their social media: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And it also says here on the box that this one is a no waste and 100% recycled textile. So everything in this box is recycled and is good for the environment. Okay, so we're gonna open this box and this is what you will get. So let's of course get first the yarn and talk about the yarn. So this is the yarn. I really like the color. It is the yellow color, and it is very sturdy. So I think for making an amigurumi or making a stuffed toy, this is actually a very nice yarn to have. But I'm not of course sure about that because I haven't really done any amigurumis. It also here on the package, it also says here on how big the crochet hook that you have to use. So it says here that you can actually use 4 to 6 millimeters for crochet hook or for knitting needles. And this one, the yarn is actually made from a high quality recycled cotton, and it says also that it is also with other recycled fibers. It is eco-friendly, so it is very sturdy. I really like it. So yeah, that's the yarn. The next thing that we're going to get is the crochet hook. The crochet hook is, I think this is a bamboo wood, or this is made out of bamboo. It is very light and also very smooth. And I think when you are going to do the crochet, it will be very nice to do it. This bamboo hook is, it says here it's 6 millimeters, so it's actually very nice to hold and touch, and I don't know, it's just nice, and I think it really goes well with their yarn. The next thing is this. This is the pattern. I cannot give it away, but as you can see, it already gives like some instructions that you have to follow, and it's already translated in different languages. So that is it. The next thing is that I already got this out of the other box because this one is really inside that box, so you have to get it out. So this is just a black yarn, or it feels like the t-shirt yarn, I think this black yarn is that you can use it for the eyes there. Yeah, I think that yarn you can just use it for the eyes. So yeah, this is the content of the giraffe DIY box. I think it is a very nice thing to have or to give away, and as a beginner, I think it's also very easy to follow the pattern, but I'm not sure yet because I haven't done it yet. But I think it's just really nice to have. So if you are very curious if I have finished this, please follow me on my YouTube account, or I also have my Instagram and my Etsy, which is also CreuzArt.com, and at the same time I also have a Facebook channel, so a Facebook page. So guys, if you like this and if you want to see other unboxing videos of DIY kits and any other things that I'm making right now, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.